Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy everyone. So into the video viewers, I will show you some amazing and stylish dye bottle crafts ideas, decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Friends, and today we are making creative die crafts with bottle, glass or plastic bottles can be turned into beautiful decoration. Paint them, warp them with yarn or add flowers. You can make walls, lantern or cute organizer. You can make it's simple, fun and add charm to your home. Handmade bottle crafts are easy and unique. Step-by-step die. Start with a clean bottles, paint it with your favorite color or warp it with twins or lace. Add flower, ribbon or small lights inside. You can make a centerpiece, vase or text organizer, decorate creative and personalize it. The bottle crafts are fun and practical. Viewers, soft color, gentle decoration and simple ideas. Even as empty bottles can look beautiful with a little creative. Warp it with yarn and flowers or paint it with pastel. Place it on a shelf, table, windowsill. Handmade crafts always feel warm and personal. Bottle die crafts make your home cozy and colorful. Turn empty bottles into beautiful decoration. Paint, warp and decorative with flowers or lights. Simple die crafts, big star, perfect for your home or kids. Gift for home decoration. Die bottles make perfect gifts for home decoration. Personals with paint, ribbon and people and ideas of friends. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel.